Okay, welcome students. Good afternoon to all of you. And let's start our science class today. So I would request Rijon to sit properly. Very nice, Rijon. And those who are present in the class, all of you, please send me yes so that I can understand that you are present in your science class. Come on, students. Okay, so give your attendance. First. Give your attendance in science class. Let's see how fast we can start our class. Please write yes if you are present in the class. Okay, so let's start with the science class. Today students, we are going to discuss on some of the points which we already have learned, but it has not been properly mentioned in your book also. Okay, so I am going to focus on some points which you need to remember very nicely before going to class 1. So it's the basic thing, and this has to be learned over here. If you would have been present in the class, I would have made you to write in your copies also. So all of you get ready with your copies and let's start our class. So here I will be giving you two options for each question and you have to find out the correct one. Okay, so you will write me in the chat box which is the correct option. So let's see the first question, which already we have learned in the book, but we have not learned the exact word. Okay, so let's go. Buddha temple is also called. Buddha temple is also called, and your options are A. Stupa, B. Gurudwara. So Buddha temples are also called A. Stupa, 2. Gurudwara. So let's see who is going to give the first answer. Okay. Yes, Shama Prabhu, your answer is also correct. And Ashmita also. Very good. Anyone more? Very good. So monastery, stupa, or yes, pagodas are some of the names of Buddha temples. That is Buddha temples. Now let's go for the second question. On Republic Day, national flag is being hoisted by the president at dash in New Delhi. On Republic Day, national flag is being hoisted by the president at dash in New Delhi. So your two options are Rajpath and Janpath. Rajpath, and the second option is Janpath. Rudra Aditya, already everyone has been muted over here, so please disconnect the call, Rudra Aditya, and join me again. Maybe your problem will be solved. Okay, so let's see who is going to give the first answer. On Republic Day, yes, our president hoist flag at dash in New Delhi. Just a minute, your attendance has been taken. Just few seconds. Okay, so Srijan? Your two options were at Rajpath, at Janpath. So where is the place in New Delhi where our president hoists flag on 26th January, on our Republic Day? So who is going to give the answer first? Come on, Rudraditya is typing something, three more are typing, Priyam, and I got the first answer from Ashmita, that is Rajpath. Very good, Ashmita, Priyam, Sanstita. I asked you the name of the place and I gave you two options. One is Rajpath, another is Janpath. So at Rajpath in New Delhi, our Honorable President hoists flag on Republic Day. Okay, so the next question, on 2nd October, we celebrate birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, your first option, and second Mahatma Gandhi. So who is the one whose birthday is being celebrated on 2nd October? So Aishwarya is giving the answer Gandhi ji. Yes, Gandhi ji, very good. Ashmita, Mahatma Gandhi, very nice. And Bhabok and Haldar, Ashmita Bhabok and Ashmita Haldar, very good. Anurag, very nice. Rudraditya, very nice. Srijan, very good. Sanstita and Shrestha, very good. Mahatma Gandhi is a person whose birthday is being celebrated on 2nd October. Now let's go for the next question. On Independence Day, our Prime Minister hoists our national flag at dash. So the name of the two places are at Taj Mahal and the second one at the Red Fort. At the Taj Mahal, at the Red Fort. The Red Fort. Ashmita, the Red Fort. Okay? It should be at the Red Fort. And Shrestha, please rectify your answer. Prithviraj, please rectify your answer. It's not port, it's fort. Kila, fort. Yes, very good, Srijan. It's the Red Fort. Red Fort is the place where our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, hoists flag every year on Independence Day, that is 15th August. Okay. Now, I am going to draw some images on the board and you are going to tell me these images are related with which festival. Okay. So, let's see. So, the first image. So, this one is related with which festival? Come on. Yes, I know it's kite, but it is related with which festival all over India? Can anyone tell me? I asked, kite is related with which festival? I want to know the name of the festival when kite is being flew. Come on. Name the festival with which kite is related. So Shyama Prabhu is the first and the only one to answer the question, that is Makar Sankranti. Very good, excellent Shyama Prabhu. It's Makar Sankranti. Kite is related to Makar Sankranti. And Shrestha Nag, please give your attention over here. Kite is related to Makar Sankranti. Okay, now let's go for the next image. And here comes the next one. This object is related to which festival? Let's see. This object is related to which festival? And already I have received lots of answers. First is Srijan, second is Ashmita, third is Anurag, and fourth is Shyama Prabhu, Shrestha, Priyam. Very good. Yes, it's Diwali. These lamps, candles, crackers are related to the festival which we celebrate known as Diwali. Now let's go for the next one. And the next one is anyone who can relate this one with a festival, and the festival is Shyama Prabhu has given the first answer. Let's see, Srijan is the second one, and anyone more? Yes, Ashmita, third, Priyam, fourth, Anurag, very good. Yes, bell, stars, these are the things or objects which are related with the festival celebrated as Christmas. We decorate our Xmas tree, we decorate our churches with these things. So, it is related with Christmas. Very good. Now, let's go for the next one. Now, one object is going to come, and let's see who can answer this one. So, this one is related with which festival? Yes, Shyama Prabhu is the first one. Shyama Prabhu is very fast, very good. And Anurag, Ashmita, Prithviraj, Shrestha, Priyam, Rudraditya, Sanstita. Yes, it is Holi. This one is related to Holi. These objects are being used to play colors with each other. So the picture is related to Holi. So let's go for the next image. Already I have received Rudraditya. Okay, now let's see which is the first one, and Srijan has given, no, Shyama Prabhu has given the first answer, Srijan second, and Shrestha third. Yes, it's the whole word is Raksha Bandhan. It's not Rakhi. Rakhi is the name of this thing. But the celebration or the festival is known as Raksha Bandhan. Okay, it's Raksha Bandhan. Very good, Anurag. It's Raksha Bandhan. This Rakhi is being associated with the celebration of Raksha Bandhan. Now let's go for the next one. Can anyone tell me? A pot of butter and flute is related with the celebration of, very good Shyama Prabhu. Very nice, Srijan, Ashmita, very good, Ashmita Haldar and Ashmita Bhavok and Anurag, very nice. It's Janmashtami. Janmashtami, and Janmashtami is celebrated as the birth of which person? Can you tell me? Janmashtami is celebrated for what? Birth of Lord? Yes, very good Ashmita. It's the celebration for the birth of Lord Krishna. So, Janmashtami is the celebration for the birth of Lord Krishna. Now let us go for the next image. And the next image is so it's very good. It's the celebration of Eid. Moon is associated with the celebration of Eid. Very good, students. So, these were some of the parts which we learned today, that some of the celebrations are very importantly associated with some of the objects, and along with that we came to know about the names of the things or the temples which has not been properly mentioned in our book. With this, I conclude my class over here, and I will be present before you with a new class next day. Thank you. Goodbye.